Okay, quick video today. We were working on the garage, me and Omar.
Yo!
We were working on the garage, finally kind of cleaning things up, and I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of the progress of working on the garage. So let me show you. Dang, son. You got the Pro Tools. Watch, it's not even lined up. Do I have to help now? Oh, we don't have a professional look. Oh, I'm professional. It's amateur hour. Amateur hour.
Since you only talking shit.
Damn. All right, we straighten her out. Measure once, cut twice with Omar. So we got some electrical, added some electrical. Just I'm not gonna completely hook it up, but at least it's run through the wall. So we got some more plugs, and we're gonna button her up, get a bit more done here.
That was literally nothing.
I don't know, it looked like something to me.
Oh, you pay somebody to do that.
I did. I paid in car work, okay? Working on your Viper.
Where's it at?
It doesn't count if you sold it. Doesn't count if you sold it.
Are you bringing the bullshit?
Come on, man. The suspense. Omar measured one more time. So there's a 10% chance Omar got that right. The other one we were off. Actually, it wasn't that bad, but let's hang this sheet up here and see what happens.
God damn it.
Come my way, come my way, come my way. You still got like a quarter inch. There. Did you get it?
Yeah, we overcut it, but it's in there.
Did it fit? Or it looks a little bit high or something. Hold on. You still gotta like come up a bit.
Come on. What?
Well, you're butted up here, but then there's a gap here. Alright, I gotta put this camera down. So this is where we're at on this side of things. And look pretty good. This is actually the height from the bottom of the foundation there to the top is actually like 9 feet or something like that. And Home Depot only had 8-foot sheets or 12-foot. So that's why we kind of got this thing, because we originally wanted to stand them up so we didn't have as many seams, but this was kind of the method we went with, because for some reason the 12-foot sheets were way more expensive. They're almost like double the price for a 12-foot sheet versus an 8-foot. So that's why we just went with the 8-foots and laid them horizontal like that. And then over here, we're just finishing up this little area that also doesn't have drywall. Got it all roughed in with the electrical as well. Got a plug behind those tires too. Omar's just trimming some of the stuff there, so we have that electrical plug, have another one there. Then we're gonna seal this all in and fasten our wires as well. But that's pretty much it. Let's do this! Let's do this! We're doing it.
Battery's dying.
Come on, man. So Omar's starting to mud things up.
Battery died.
Milwaukee fail. We're probably gonna do this strip right here as well. And this side we got all up. Starting to get some mud on there. And eventually we'll get everything painted and matching. Does this part take forever or not forever?
knows how to do everything.
Except for work on cars.
It's not like this is a car channel.
I know, right? Check out the progress, you guys. We got all the mud here. We got portion around the garage door done. Omar's killing it on the mud. He's doing this corner with the tape. Killing it. G.I. Joe mud. So you're gonna put the mud on and then the tape on top, and then get frustrated and rip it all off. That's what I would do. I'm telling you, I would just rip all that off. It's an art, man. Oh, that's how you do it? Like you just like stick it in there and then you just like. All right, so it's been a couple days. We got a bunch of drywall on everywhere, all the way across there, all in this corner. Got all that. Did a bunch of mudding. Omar's got the mud mixing going on. We got this fan because it's been raining lately, so it's taking forever for the mud to dry up. But we did above the garage doors too. Omar's over there still mudding. And then this was all like textured, so he put a skim coat on the entire thing, which was a pain, but it's gonna look better since we're trying to debate whether we're gonna do texture on the sides to match the texture on this. But they kind of did something weird when they built the house and put like tape. What did you say they did? They put tape and then texture, right? They put tape, but they didn't smooth out the tape, and then they just sprayed texture over the whole nonsense, right? Yeah, so. I think actually you can see right here, like this. So they just put tape and then just sprayed texture over top of all that crap. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Once we get painting and finish all the mud work, I'll show part 2 of this whole thing. We can get back to the car stuff, because right now everything's kind of covered over and the garage is in absolute shambles while we're in construction mode here. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Take care.